What's up guys, welcome back to Rooms for You. In this video we will be looking at how to install Orangefox Recovery R11.1.0 official build on Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro. Also we will be looking at installing latest Havoc OS version 4.11 official build by using Orangefox Recovery. Before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. So as I mentioned, first I will be installing Orangefox R11 Recovery. To begin with, you need to have your POCO X3 Pro to be bootloader unlocked and any custom recovery installed. I prefer any recovery apart from stock one. And next is to download both of these files. I have kept both of my files under micro SD card. One important point here is I have kept my files under micro SD card since my phone is encrypted. If you are having a decrypted phone, you can keep these files under your internal storage, since we won't be formatting internal storage if your phone is decrypted. To begin with, we need to start removing all the security measures, including screen lock, fingerprint and Google account linked. If you are from MIUI, make sure you have removed MIUI account. These steps can make you safe from any unwanted lockout of your phone. Once these are done, reboot your phone into recovery. As you see, I currently use Orangefox Recovery R11 beta version. And now I will be using the same recovery to flash the stable version. So let's select files now. If you are in TWRP, select install option. Navigate into your downloaded recovery file. I kept my files under SD card, so under recovery, select Orangefox Recovery zip file. It is going to be the same for both TWRP or the Orangefox Recovery. Once your installation finishes, your phone will reboot automatically. If you are using TWRP, there is chances that it won't reboot automatically, so you may need to reboot it manually. So now let's quickly go to settings and check the recovery version. Under about session, you will be able to see that the Orangefox Recovery version is R11.1. Build type is stable. My device is Vayu since I belongs to India. So now next is to install Havoc OS 4.11. To begin the installation, you need to format your internal storage. Select wipe and select Dalvik metadata, data, internal storage and cache. Since my phone is encrypted, I am selecting the internal storage. So swipe to wipe. There are some errors noticed. Root data as well as Dalvik directories are not able to wipe. Even after selecting all the internal directories, I am getting this error. So next option is to come back from there and selecting format data. This option will format entire your internal storage. So type S to confirm the format. Once it is done, make sure there is no errors noticed. Next is to navigate into ROM file and flash it. Selecting files and navigating to the ROM file. As you see, I have selected HavocOS 4.11 zip file. Select the file and swipe to install. Wait until the installation to finish flashing. Let me quickly skip this and come back once it is done. As you see, the installation process is over and I didn't notice any errors after installation. Next is to wipe Dalvik cache and reboot your phone into system. Let me quickly finish these startup steps and come back. So here it is, I have finished all the startup steps of this ROM and booted successfully into HavocOS official 4.11. It is a bit disappointed for all of the HavocOS fans to see that it is still under Android 11. Where almost all other competitive ROMs are already moved into Android 12 based ROMs. Anyway, I'll be doing a performance review of this ROM as soon as possible. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you in next one.